Hello guys, I've got another box opening and I'm not sure what to expect in this one. This is not usual BJD and I was looking at this doll for a long time. So I'm not into non-BJD dolls, but I do like them. But with this particular doll I was looking for quite a while now, and she, I believe, from 2014 collection. She was ordered from America and she arrived today. I think it took about a week for it to be delivered. It's quite quick. And I really liked that doll, but I never had anything like this before. So I'm not usually into blights or polyps, but I had a Tank doll. It's kind of like a copy, not the copy, just similar to polyps, I think, or blights. They're really lovely. Oh, I can see her through the plastic. She was dispatched really quickly. So it's a polyp. I wanted this doll, like I said, for quite a while, because this is probably the only one. Oh, no, I'm lying. There is another one I want. And I think she's like vampiress, vampire kind of girl. I'm not sure what's her name, I don't remember now, but she's lovely as well. But this is my number one. And she's very popular, this polyp, I believe. It's Nana-chan. Oh, in person she's much more sweeter. I never had it, so I don't know what it is. I really don't, so what to expect. So that's the box. Drowsy. Like I said, I know nothing at all about doll. I know that this company, obviously Japanese, they also do the ball jointed dolls. Well, they started doing them, I think, but I think it's from IBS Plastic though. I know these polyp dolls, they get customized in all this jazz, plus the you can get the Bitsu body for them, which is, I had a Bitsu body and I had a Bitsu doll, and they're really lovely. Okay, so what's come out here? Of course I've got my helper here, as you can see. Okay, so that's the assemble for the stand, and that's the button. Come out, lady, I want to see you. Ого. Птёшкин. Гульчик, давай, иди отсюда. I think she tied up, yeah, she tied up by the bow and... Oh, I see, so... Oops. Oh wow, she got... Oh, she's so good, she's so sweet. All these curls.
Oh yeah, you can change the week, can you really? I thought you can. Can you not? Oh, don't do anything, but I thought you changed the week. I like on the BJDs as well. So, how does it work here? Oh, what's that? Oh, okay, so you can... Oh! You can do that as well! I'm not sure why does it stay there? Can it stay or not? Do I have to do something? Twist it or not? I saw there's some people put some nice stuff in here, like decorate it as well. I'm totally newbie for tulips, so I don't know how to make it stay though. And how to lock close eyelids? Do I? I thought, when I had this Tanko dolls, which is similar to Tulips and Blights, they have a lot of, well, have a button which changed like about 3 pairs of eyes, but I thought you can do the same here, but it's only closing them down and doing that. Okay, I don't know.
So she's Nana-chan, girly. Nana-chan is supposed to be wearing this beautiful hat. Okay, so then she's bands, yeah. And this hand's supposed to be. I thought this one was like you know, like a cute hand with like a little fist kind of hand. But she got tail. Okay, so it's not real tail, it's not. It just attached with a ribbon as well. The same as the little hat. And she got lovely choker on here, which on the Velcro. The dress is really, really nice. It's got the petticoat and nice little pantaloons. Nicely done. Very nice. Socks. So dinky. So tiny. I can see now why people swapping these bodies for Bitsu. A Bitsu body is much, much better. What else she can do? What else she got even now? Okay, she comes with a stand, which is not. I wouldn't say it's something special. That's probably because I used to BJD solid stands. But made in China. Okay, it's alright, stand. And also she has got that's your little passport. Just a picture. Yeah, so she's from 2014 collection girl, so yeah, there's nothing there. It says Nana 7575. Profile, I don't think I can read this. I think it's Japanese. Okay, very nice. Okay, so that's nothing else is in the box. Okay. She's sweet. Nice hair. I just am gonna display her. Maybe I'll buy her another body. I already sold all my Bitsu bodies. I didn't realize I didn't know I'm gonna get some Tulip. but she is just probably gonna be one of really my first and last, unless I want to get this vampire lady, because I like both styles. I like a bit of a kawaii look like this girl is, and I do like a bit of gothic. Thank you guys for watching.